ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Am I excited? Am I excited it's Monday? It's Monday. Excited as I can be for a Monday. Yes. I think that. But we beat Elden Ring yesterday, which I wasn't sure we were gonna beat it yesterday, but somehow managed it. All of Elden Ring has been beaten, including the DLC. So, yay! Yes. Every single boss, every single side boss, unless there's something I missed. But I'm pretty sure I got every single boss and side boss because I was checking. So, every Knight's Cavalry, every Deathbird, every little thing, we got it. I didn't do like 100% of the DLC clearly because I didn't get all of the scouted tree fragments, for example. But it's fine. Hey, good guts. Happy Monday. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing all right. Doing all right. But yeah, that's no more Elden Ring. We'll see. This Sunday probably no stream. I probably will take a day off. I used to do three. Originally, I was doing 3 hours game days. Then I started to do 6-hour ones. So I've been losing a lot of actual like work time to do stuff. So that's a thing. So I might take some time to actually get shit done that I need to get done. Yep. It's all done, good guts. All done. Everything beaten. Regular game beaten. DLC beaten. Only one boss gave me a trouble. You'll give me once. What do you mean you'll give me once? You don't even watch me on Sundays, good guts. What does it matter to you? You occasionally stop by for like a couple of minutes, but the vast majority of Sunday time, you don't watch me. What does it matter? You lost a lot of gameplay from Elden Ring? What do you mean you lost a lot of gameplay? How did you lose a lot of... I'm not sure I follow. Explain yourself. And while you explain to yourself, I bought some books. I know it's crazy. I bought a backwards Genki book for learning Japanese. Smells like a book. I'd lick it, but I don't really care how it tastes. You lost a lot of Elden Ring gameplay. Lost me playing. Nope, still not following. When you start to play something new, I watch you again. I mean, okay. The next one might be Black Myth Wukong. Yeah, we'll see. Yes, you did miss a lot of streams. Can't confirm. But don't worry, if you miss anything, you can always watch the VODs. The VODs are always there. Do you know what's happening? Oh, please. You you wouldn't know what was happening if you were watching it. I sure as hell didn't, and I was playing it. Was I here? No? Okay, I go there. Was I not? Was I here? Yes, I don't go there. We've been there. Continue. That's basically how I played the game. If you want me to explain to you the story and everything, I can. And I watched a video on it that explained like a breakdown of like the lore. You sent me some Elden Ring thing on Instagram today? Yeah, I would never even have looked. I don't ever use Instagram for anything. I don't get notifications. I get nothing. Why are you sending it to me there? Out of all places to send it. Yeah, if I remember, I'll check Instagram for the first time in... When was the last time you sent me something and told me? Yeah, since then. Yeah, I don't do anything with Instagram. So, we got ourselves a menu. We can control things with a controller. Now, we don't have full control yet. We can do this. We can go through all those cards. You go up and down. So we can get through the cards quickly. But I feel like I need to change it to that bottom bar should probably also be a top bar. I'll maybe change it later. It was like when going quickly through them, it becomes a little bit difficult to still see which one's selected. So it'd be good to have it on the bottom and the top of the card. But for today, I could to continue controller support. Controller support. So we can do all of this. Okay, this doesn't fully work. I press right. I should be on cleave, but cleave is not selected. Here it selects it. Here it doesn't. Because it moves it to the all the way to the left. Okay. Let's adjust. Let's adjust. Oh dear God. Right. Let's clean this up. let's move this here. Do I need to delay until next tick? No, I want to change this differently. This. to next tick. So I move it there. Then I check. Let's do the scroll offset. Custom event. Move mouse. That's gonna clean up that. So the problem is when we are maybe I change this up to be like the exact distance. What is the exact distance I need? I do 0.35 plus 12. 650. There's 0.35 plus 12. 240. So it's actually correct the way I have it at 240. But it's just not behaving the way I'd like it to. Okay. Why? Why? So, if it's greater than 0.8, yeah, we do this. We check that it's not all the way in the right. Let me set the mouse position. So this is actually working. So this part is working. That's not the problem. The problem is here. We do a scroll to start. Here. And then here. Not collection. Then we set mouse position. I remove this. We do this, and then delay until next tick. Set mouse position. Now I ain't doing anything. Oh. That's because on false, it needs to still set mouse position. Oh, we don't need to do the scrolling and delaying. So, again, when we go here, the cleave should be selected. It's not. If we go the other way, it gets selected. Okay, if I did a longer delay, does that do anything? Yes. Maybe. So that's working, sort of. Okay. First, I move the mouse. I'm gonna remove the delay. Before I do the scroll, though, and move the mouse out of the way. Delay. What if I give it 2 ticks? Or I guess it would be delay here. An extra delay here. I don't like adding all these delays, though. That works. So now it selects the last one. It selects the first one. But why does it flick there? So that's something I still need to fix. Right? Where it is, here, I'll hide my camera. Should be able to do it. And if I go here, there it is. So now there's a flick there, where the cleave kind of appears for a brief moment. And doesn't happen always, but it happens occasionally. I don't know why. I can't get it to repeat now. I have to repeat there. Is it when I press down left? I think it's when I press down left. Down doesn't do anything. Left is fine. Specifically down left for some reason does something. Why is down left doing anything? Why is down left doing it? Left and right is all I got. It shouldn't go anywhere except here, anyway. anything down here. This doesn't do anything. This shouldn't be triggering. It's multiple times. You trigger just the one time. So that's not the cause. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? This might fix the problems in general. In the deck builder, I have the deck slot info with the grid panel all in the scroll box. I don't want it all in the scroll box. I want this wrap with horizontal box. This. That's still fine, but not really. Think that would work? What happened to my scroll wheel? So, sort of. What is the size of it? 800. Okay. So it's 1080 minus 8. Why no scroll bar? Bill. Horizontal box, just the grid panel, and fill. There we go. Okay. Good. Okay. So if I do this now, still happens. Still has a whole flick. I mean, the bar, the numbers stay, so that's good. I wanted the numbers to stay. Why the flick happens still? That bothers me. That does bother me. Okay. But now, what if I change to 0, but like 1080? Move to the bottom. Don't move to the top. It should be instantaneous, so that shouldn't be why. Nope. This should also be instantaneous. This is instantly during the next layout pass. Force layout prepass. Force is a prepass. A prepass caches desired size of the widget hierarchy owned by this widget. One prepass already happens for every widget before tick occurs. You only need to perform another prepass if you're adding a child widget this frame and want them to immediately be visible this frame. Well, we can certainly try this out. I'm not adding a widget, but oh, nope, it happened again. Yep, still happens. Okay, so that's not the solution. That's not the solution. Okay. This was also not the solution. Thinking. So check it's at the end. Yes. Move. Yeah, I think I fixed it, but now the car, when I go this way, doesn't get selected. So, I don't have the issue. Nice against gold. Interesting. So, if I return the delay tick, then it does get selected. But nope, just happened. Shit. I can't let it go away. No. I want to go away. For a brief moment, and it's only when going left. It's only here when I do this decrement. So, will to be 1080 at this point. No, so it still happens. And now I have other issues for some reason. That does not help. Why does it happen? Because See, if it was happening because it was scrolling, like moving to the start or end, then it shouldn't matter because I moved the mouse. Unless, what if I did another delay here? After I move the mouse, I'll delay it another frame. Fix it. Looks like I fixed it. Think if I can fix it? I can't recreate it. I can't recreate it. I think I fixed it. And the other stuff doesn't pop anymore either. Nothing pops anymore. Even on the right, like these cards used to pop. I think that was the trick to it. There's a brief delay before it pops up, which I don't really like, but you know. Now we can start working with it. So now what if we bypass this delay?
Ads are here. Pausing
Yeah.
for ads.
Need that delay. I need that delay. That delay. Okay. It's working. We can go through all of them. It's working. Just in time for ads. You don't see it working, just ads? Do you get ads? Are you getting ads actually? Mr. Watching also on YouTube. On YouTube though? There ain't no ads on YouTube. Other person is watching YouTube. Oh, Gaguts is watching YouTube. You're Gugaguto A. Yeah. Twitch fellas, am I right? Is it a sign of insanity when you start talking to yourself from other, like, no, that's not insanity. That's bipolar disorder. Is that what it is? Bipolar is when you have two, like, I forget what it is. Okay, but this is good. Schizophrenia? Probably. So this is good. So bipolar disorder is just a huge wild swings of emotional state. Oh, okay, so it's not, yeah, it's not that. Okay. Next, the way we need to do is just happened. I need to reset the scroll bar back as well. So we want to do one of these. Yes, with another. Yeah. So we're down here, and I go here. Here. Yep. Go down here. Okay. Looking good. So the next step we need to do is make it so I can actually select the damn things. I need to make it so when I press a button or press A, then it moves it. Yeah. We need to make a button to move. Theoretically shouldn't be difficult. Because if we go to here, we have left mouse button down and control and deck available. Or deck available and we press A. Same thing with this. So, how's he been? That mob has been an elite so many times. I know it's a low. It's like a 5% chance. You guys have been checking so much. So if I come here and I press A, nothing happens. Hi. Is it registering it at all? It might not be under mouse button. Should be. Yeah, it's not registering any of it. Is it register on key down? Yeah, it's key. No. What? Why? Why register nothing? Oh, because I'm checking if mouse button down. And it fails because it's not mouse button. But then why didn't it work on the controller? Yeah. Hmm. Okay. What can we do? I try and key down again, but does this just print anything? Oh, even keyboard doesn't print. Oh, it does when I click on it. Oh, it's because it doesn't have focus. It's not focused, so it doesn't register. Hey, Tune, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Having the same issue with structs in your widget blueprint. I'm not having any issues with structs. What do you mean you have the same issue? I could try doing a set focus. I can try here. For this one. Set mouse position. And do a set focus. Target is this child. Oh, and then now it's no longer Shit. It's not focused, so I don't send the information to it. So also I need to do it here. Right, I need to do it here. Why was it doing it there? Oh, I need to do. Get widget. I need to get widget under the mouse. Looked into this multiple times before. Solution. Give me plus options. Y constantly C++. child at blah. No, I need to. It is focusable. So it works. A mouse enter. Instead of your second vision blueprint you created, it doesn't read any struct data. It's completely empty. Meanwhile, your first vision blueprint reads it perfectly as it should. I mean, you need to look how are you passing the information through? Are you passing it correctly? If it doesn't read it, that means it's not getting the information. However, you're passing it through. I don't think that's a widget thing. That's a check how you're passing the information through. Check if it's all, yeah, going through. Yeah, it's unrelated to what's happening here. This is a matter of like focus, having a widget being focused, so it actually reads the inputs. I mean, check has hovered. But still, I can't send the information through. I guess in either case, I need to send the information through. What can we do? What can we do? Get child. No, not this. I wanted the repel. Get child at. It gives me it needs an index only. I need to focus. I need to focus widget. Right, basically focus hovered widget. Is there a trick to this? Basically, so what's happening is I'm moving the mouse, but I'm not focusing the widget. I'm not focusing the card. The entire deck slot is focused. And so when I press a button, I don't send the information through. What if I do from here? What if I on I'll say Y, just so it'll be a nice safe test. If it's this, then I want to do the deck. Get index. Oh, I need to. Here, I need. Oh, is the no. This. This. So yeah, I need to get that. And then repel deck. Get child at this location. And then set focus of this child. And then, oh, I can't delay here. But then we can just maybe just send the. Oh, we don't need to do the. No. We can just do this, and then now we have the card, and we can just do call move card. All oh, do I need to cast to be I need the Adobe card object reference. I need to... I need to trigger the event dispatcher from that card. I can't cast from here. Oh, now I can. No. A card cast to deck version. All card. And the card is being moved. It is found a workaround. Found ourselves a workaround. I'll probably... Ooh. Can't really swap it to... No, I can't swap to an interface because it's two different... Yeah, two different things. Okay. If we're in deck mode, this is where we do this. False. Check this. Pass this through as well. Or get key. Do I need to... It has access to it, so I actually don't need this. This does not need to be in it. So then we do this. But I'm going to change this to be now the 8 button. And then I copy all this. Put it in here. Here, I instead of deck builder, it's the card collection. Get select a card. Get create available cards. Child at index, please. Cast to card. Call. Move card. Turns out there's no reason to copy most of it. Okay. So now if I select and I go through here, I press A. And then I can go here and I can press A again. I can add and remove. All with a controller. Yeah. Yeah. Why is that one outlined like that? Why is it outlined? Why it start getting outlined? Odd. It's fine now. Oh, no, it is outlined. These are outlined. There's a light blue outline around it. Oh, it's actually moving the mouse this time.
Pausing for ads.
Oh, I see. It's moving the mouse, and so... Because I've now... Why is it moving the mouse now? Before I didn't move the mouse. Now it's actually moving the mouse, which is what I want. So I can actually visualize it. I used to have scrolled up. That used to have scrolled up. Okay. Still some stuff to figure out, but I think it's basically the tab button. Yeah, so if I click in and I press tab, now I have this outline. Project says interface render focus rule. Set to never and should go. Fail. Okay. Figure out that in a second. For a second. Focus rule. Render focus rule. Focus brush will be rendered for widgets that have user focus not set based on pointer causes. Rendered for widgets that have user focus only if the user was set by navigation. Try. Let's see what the difference is. Okay, that gives me an outline. So immediately. So I pretty much done. So now if I click on here and press tab, nothing happens. Ooh, actually, when I click on here and I press tab, nothing happens. Why? Oops. Why did... Okay. I'm gonna return this back because I think the problem is with something a little bit deeper down. Because the tab button I can't get back. And I think I got feedback on this before, but I just couldn't replicate it because I couldn't understand what how to replicate it. Or what was being explained, but I think I just understood it. So if we go to the deck builder, it's focusable. I don't want it focusable. Now if I click on here, ooh, okay. But if I click on here and I press tab now, then I can't get out. But I kind of need it to be focusable. Right? Right? I don't. So I don't like the fact that it shrinks just for a moment when the scroll wheel appears. It means it's slightly a little too big, basically. Builder does not support focus. You should buy B is focusable to true. I don't need to. I don't want it to be focusable. Click here, click here. Here. Ooh. Here also has the problem. So on this one, I also need to turn. Oh, you're not already focusable. Oh. That's why. I didn't need to do it for this one as well. Guess I'll do this, because I'll drag. But I click onto it and press tab, it goes away. Tab. Every single place it goes away. I don't want to. Or I guess if I made it focusable, I'll just need to put the control into every single section. Why does it not pop up now? There we go. Okay. Fine. So if we got around that error by going to the deck builder and saying yes, focusable. That would mean that I can't close out of here. And I'm tabbing through all of them. Which I don't want. So I think it's fine. It's a warning, not a error. Is the thing, right? I wish I can get rid of these errors, though. Okay, that's fine. We'll work the way it wants it to work. Okay, we'll make these focusable. Then here we'll just say never. That means I can't press tab, of course, to get out of here. So I click anywhere here, can't press tab. But what we can do then is in the graph here, we want to grab this. And basically put it inside of mouse button down. Oh, it's on mouse button. On it? On key down. Then the card collection, same thing. On key down. And we also need to do it on top one. So override on key down. Same thing here. Okay. So now, if I put in here, right, doesn't matter what I have, I can get out of here with the controller. And if I press tab and I press tab again, I can get out. If I tab and press on top, that doesn't quite work. Not quite what I was thinking. It makes sense that that's what just happened. But not what I meant to do. I don't know here. Be deck builder from parent. That's what I want to do. Here, same thing. Oh, do I have a game mode reference in here? Yes, I do. And here as well. Okay. You create the card visibility by user touch. Yeah. So now if I press here and I click on top and press tab, I can still get away. I click in the card, press tab, it goes away. Tab, tab, clicking and pressing tab still all works. Yeah, there we go. I also need to go to a mouse button down here and remove this print string. And remove this more. Here. And here. Again, press buttons. Looks good. I can add. Press a button to go to the other mode. I can remove. Sweet! So far, so good. I don't like the fact that, again, it's shrinks in for just a moment. Right? It shrinks in. So let's modify that collection. Errors have gone away now with this method. I need to go to the card collection. Where's the generate cards? Let's shrink them a little bit. Maybe I can shrink them or make them a little bit to 11 padding. On the right, is that going to be enough? If it moves, I can't tell. Oh, I can tell a little bit. I can tell a little bit. That definitely doesn't. Okay, let's do this. Right padding 10. And then I want to add some padding here on the left. Now it's too much again. So, you know what? Let's maybe go back to 12 and let's just shrink them a little bit. 0.33. Ooh, okay, that's a big difference. 0.345. Yes, but now I need to move a little more to the right then. 20. Much. 15. $17. $17 feels right. No longer moves. Keyboard controller or not, no longer moves. Excellent. Okay. That is working lovely. Let's get rid of the damn print string I got. I put in. Here? Where did I put this print string in? Here. Oh, is it here? Where the hell did I put a prince ring? It was the add to deck. Okay. Okay. So, next. So, we have this. So I can open with tab. And then I can still use this to then swap to controller mode. I kind of like the fact you see a little bit of that line color of the card below. Hey, Stormman, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Next up, we need to create the sorting. My cards are pretty. You can thank Midjourney for that. It's all temporary. But this is, yeah, Midjourney. Yeah, doing the actual cards proper, like paying someone to do them eventually, which, you know, I'll need to. It's probably going to cost a lot. I'm thinking. Probably going to cost a lot. Because you're going to have like over 100 designs with slight variations within designs. We'll see. Okay. So we gotta do the sorting. Now, so right now the way it works is left bumper gets you into the deck mode. Right bumper into the collection. Okay, so I want to add something. Just press A, and go left bumper, and go back to the deck. Right bumper, collection. Right trigger is supposed to go into, I guess, the sorting. But I don't know if I want to... I might do like next sorting, previous sorting. Or I don't know if you guys have a better suggestion. Because it works on a mouse, you just click this, right? And it sorts one way and reverse, one way and reverse, one way and reverse, right? But how do we do that on a controller? I feel like I don't need to select those buttons. I should just send the command to sort it. Maybe... Oh, maybe one of them, maybe the right one, will cycle them, and the left one will swap between forward and reverse. Yeah, R1, L1. Yeah. So R1 cycles the three different types of sorting, or however many if we have, if we had more, and L1 changes between forwards and reverse of that sorting. Or we can do like L1, R1, R1, L1. I think that's a decent way of doing it. Here's a question I have. If I do this, it still works. Okay. See here. Okay. Yeah, because they're moving the mouse. Uh, if I did this, it always does again. Yeah, let's try something like that. I think we want to try something like that. Okay. So, do I have a nice command for this? We have on key down, which just removes it. So no. The Venn graph? Okay. Okay. So after all of this, this is all card selection. Then we want to do check get key. Get key. So if I do right shoulder, then let's get the search bar and oh, I can do. Wait, is there a set selection sort? Oh, there is. Wait, it doesn't do anything. Why is it there if it doesn't just literally just what? Did I start it and then just never use it? Yeah, it literally doesn't do anything. Unsort time. I do I can get unsort time. I can do custom events. Sort by time. Sort by alphabet. Sort by rarity. So we can do here is get sort type. And then I can do a switch. Sort by alphabet. Go from these two. Sort by rarity. These two. And sort by time off of these two. So now, get into it. We're sorting, baby. Sword. got controller sword. Now it only goes forward. But now we can flip it.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh, that's time. Okay. It's working! Controller support has been one of those things where it has scared the shit out of me trying to even attempt it. Okay, that's exaggeration. That's a very big exaggeration. It has intimidated me because everyone was saying, yeah, controller support for widgets really difficult. But this method works. Is it the most ideal, perfect method? No. But I also need to figure out how to detect if I'm using a controller or a mouse inside of the widget. And I want to turn off and turn on the mouse accordingly. It's another thing I need to do. Hey, J Party, welcome in. How's it going? You're doing well? My stuff is amazing? Well, I'm glad you like it. I don't know about amazing, but I'll take it. Thank you. How do we... I want to check if it's plugged in. Let's detect... Hey, Fishy Codes, welcome in. How's it going? You're doing well? Good sick man, really good. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. Okay, we'll figure out how the hell to detect controller versus mouse, I guess, later. Left shoulder. So for this, it's same thing, but just the order is different. Basically, this time goes on top. Sorting. Controller sorting. So now he's in the lead again. My goodness. We can press this button and sort it and reverse the sort. So if we go rarity, it's now common to rare, and this way it's like I don't know why I call it tier 3 to tier 1. Purple, green, white, white, purple, green, and within that it is still alphabetical. So yes. Yes. Oh. If I did this, ooh, okay. When I do this, it resets my mode, so I can't continue. We gotta fix that. Any DFPG landscape patches are useful at runtime. That might be a bit expensive. You picture generating a world with a bunch of patches of random noise patterns rotated by a thing landscape gen only happens. Yeah. Even if it's possible, it'd be extremely expensive. You don't want to run your entire game. Like, what I recommend people do isn't even to like just use landscape patches. It's use landscape patches to create your landscape and then bake it down to a height map and then use the height map to create a landscape without the patches. So you kind of use it to build the landscape the way you want, but you're not your final version, like in the game, wouldn't include them. It's great for like creating a landscape. Here we do if it's equal to this. This needs to go away. Okay. So again, clicking, right? I'm going to the deck. I'm removing some cards. I press the button. I'm still on the deck. Swap it around. Go back to the here. Swap around. The only thing I'm thinking about is whether I want these to be selectable. And if you to return them instead of from the deck, you return them here. Not sure. Guess at runtime you meant like loading the level would somehow generate a world, but I guess you have to use some custom landscapes. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't do landscapes at runtime. That sounds like a bad time. Also landscapes, like to make a actually like really nice looking landscape and not just like a random mess, right? You want to sculpt that yourself. Let's say you're trying to put mountains like in the distance. Well, at that point, like if that's what you want to spread around, then just put mountains in the distance as meshes. Don't do landscape, right? Landscape, you'd want to have area for roads, for buildings, for like everything. I guess if you're spawning all that in procedurally, but then again, you still have a base. I see issues. It can be, like, theoretically, if it was possible to do, it could maybe be usable in a few scenarios, but I foresee issues. Yeah. But I don't think it's usable. Like, on a technical level. I don't think it's technically possible. Okay. So our builder's good. But how do we now make the mouse disappear? I know how to make this. It'd be a pain in the ass to do, but I think I could. Problem is, how do you make the mouse reappear I know how to make the mouse repair. Okay. I think I figured it out. It's probably not very nice. But well, here we're exiting, so this doesn't matter. Whatever it was, it doesn't matter here. Here, though, set mouse. Show mouse cursor. I'm just gonna collapse it to a function. Show mouse cursor. So basically what we're gonna do is this. It's not clean. I don't like doing this. But this does make sure that it happens. Theoretically. So, basically on any gamepad related thing, hide it. Here, we check if it was controller. If it was a controller, show mouse cursor. If it wasn't, show mouse cursor on. Oh, at the end here, before we do this, make sure we turn the mouse back on. I don't think it matters which order this happens in. I prefer the remove at the end. And then we can do an override on mouse move. Show mouse cursor. See if this works. Yeah. Put the mouse right there on the green. Or select. Mouse still there. Pressing buttons and mouse is not going away. Why mouse don't go away? Oh. I'm moving the mouse. Wait, why do you not? No, hold on. This might not work because I'm moving the mouse. In a sense. Why did this not work here? I still see my mouse. Remove the mouse move. Guess somehow it's detecting movement. Oh. Why no work? So by doing set show mouse cursor. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna detach everything. And I just want to see if something's overwriting it. No. Oh. Okay, cool. Escape works. I was like, wait, did I make a mistake? I thought I couldn't get out of it anymore. So why does... So we know that's working. Yeah, this is the deck builder. Oh, hold on. Okay, let's remove it from the collection. Yeah, we don't want it anywhere by default. Oh, what? Oh. Keep it here. This is not mine. This one's not mine. That wasn't mine. Sets input mode. Oh, this game. Create assets, don't touch that. Map. Pick. No. AC abilities. Here, what are we doing? Level up HUD. We don't want to do show mouse by default here. We want to do this by default. This. I don't want to do any of this here. If you guys are wondering where I'm getting this stuff, I just did a search. It's just if I click here, it goes away, so that's why I just have it on the side monitor. That's why. Play. Don't do this by default. Need to add like full control over the stuff. Escape menu we don't use, and okay, the only place we have the defaulting is game mode, which will be overridden later. So now, am I gonna mouse? If I press select, still have it. Why? Why mouse? Go away! Go away, mouse! I don't understand. Why must not go away? I thought maybe I needed to like add something overriding it, but no. I pretty much removed everything that could be overriding it. No matter what, just turn it off. Why? Confirm that we're using controller. Two things affecting cursor visibility: a UMG widget and the player controller. Even though you ask the controller to hide it, the widget that has the cursor is currently overriding cursor visibility. You can test it by okay. In order to hide the cursor for good, even while in a widget is in focus, you'll need to ask the widget to do it too. In this example, the PC. Okay. How do you get reference to self? Set cursor? None. God damn it, it's still there. Hey, Danik, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Where did I reach the message from? I was checking the forums. I'm trying to find the answer to my problem. But I'm also mostly streaming on YouTube in general. What if I did it to... can I do it like this? Everything? That work? I just want the mouse to go away. Did you post it on Oculus Discord? I mean, like, at one point or another. Why? Oh, when I moved the mouse was gone. Hold on a second. So here the mouse is retained. If I do this, oh, hold on. I actually didn't open it. Open it with select. Again, select. Move mouse. Still see mouse. Do this. Select. Move mouse. Mouse goes away. UI seems very familiar to something that was posted there a few days ago. Oh, yeah, I posted there. Yeah. He brought up, he was doing localization. I was like, you know what? Why don't I just set it up as well? Try it out. See what it's all about. So I just localized into a single language for testing. Surprisingly, extremely easy to do. Localization. Like, I had to tweak like a couple of things, and then like, cool, done. And I just localized it to a Brazilian Portuguese at the time. Why do I need to move the mouse? Okay. Set mouse position. Will this let it update the fact that the mouse should be hidden? No. Why? Hey, Michael, welcome in. Set input game mode? No. Set input is UI only. If I did game mode, I wouldn't be able to control the UI. I need the mouse to realize that it needs to update. I don't... Oh, so the branch you're bouncing on mine? All good. Yeah, it's... Okay, like, I do controller, and I want mouse to go away. Because I'm a controller. If I was on keyboard, yeah, I want it to still be there. On controller, I want to go away. And when I move the mouse, then it goes away. If I do select, right, it stays away because... Of course it is. Am I using Common UI? I have Common UI installed, but like I'm not using anything from Common UI. Why? Common UI have something for it?
here. Pausing for ads.
Keep pressing UMG and change the UI mode. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, that's what you need to do. It's what I'm doing. Is set focus for the controller? Is set focus for the controller? I'm not sure I follow. You can focus a widget. What do you mean for the controller? If you use activatable widgets and have common UI, common input set up, it does that for every widget where it's set up. Activatable widgets? What are activatable widgets? I don't have common input set up. No. A bit of a setup in the beginning, but will make the process of adding new UIs, etc., way easier down the road. Yeah, I installed it for something. I don't remember for what. I think to try out. But yeah, I'm not using. I don't have that set up. I don't know what an activatable widget is. Common activatable widget. No idea. Has nothing in it. Okay, well. Non-option, I guess? It has to be a way of just hiding the mouse, right? It just... You get player controller, set mouse visible false when the second map starts. Yeah. Everyone's like, yeah, just set it to be in the controller. That's what we did. We did set it to the controller. It's false. This works, but doesn't update it. I set all of these to none. What if I set them to none? Shits and giggles. I wanted to disappear by default. That's all I ask. Nope. Why does it disappear by default? Your guess is as good as mine. Try printing the show mouse cursor variable in the tick to make sure that's not overridden by anything else. Yes, it's not overridden by anything else because this hides the cursor successfully. The problem is it hides it after I move the mouse. So if right, here's the mouse. It's right here. If I press on the controller, right, I pressed it, I opened it. And then I move the mouse. Mouse has disappeared. Mouse is gone. I can move the mouse, and you'll see like things are changing on screen, but the mouse is gone. But the mouse doesn't disappear right away. I want the mouse gone without me having to move it all of a sudden. For it to realize, oh, I need to go bye-bye. That's my problem. Mouse is going away. It's just not going away immediately. And I don't know why that is the way it is. That seems very stupid design. If that's the default design. What's the difference between this set cursor and this set cursor? Behavior versus... Oh, it's a variables under behavior. Oh, it can only be one at a time. Might as well try it. Don't know what it's all about. Might as well try it. Oh, I see. It usually doesn't take an input. Set cursor. Okay, let's do this. Little test here. I would almost be upset if it worked with this. Nope. The mouse goes away. Grumble, grumble, grumble. Yeah, so... It's not overridden, because if we move the mouse, then it's fine. Let's try like searching UMG mouse on by. What if I instead what if we did it on the player? Before I open the widget, I'll hide the mouse. Well, it's already... no, that shouldn't work. It shouldn't work that way. This should not result in anything being different. Because, again, that is being turned off anyway. Yeah, nothing different. You don't have to call set cursor on your widgets to hide the mouse cursor. That's why my guess is that anything overrides the show mouse cursor variable of the player controller from outside. Well, here, I can, if we go to here, not here. If I search by name all, I have the game mode setting it. But the game mode triggers only once on construct. Then I have this guy setting it, which is this one here. Then the escape menu, which is a different menu entirely. Not part of the game. It's part of like things I've installed in other things, like UI Material Lab. Don't care. A bunch of samples from a plugin, samples from a plugin, samples from a plugin. I don't have anywhere else it's being set. The only place I'm setting it is in the game mode. That's it. And the game mode is being set on construction. So nothing's overriding it. If I don't do this, set widget, cursor to none, then it'll never go away. Now, it's not going. Widgets have their own mouse focus. For what people have said on the forums. Which is why you have to do set cursor for widgets as well. But why it shows by default without me, I don't know. So odd. A lot of people are asking about it. You can change the mouse sprite in Unreal. That's someone suggested that. I mean, that would, if you change it to a blank sprite, that technically would work no matter what. Which is honestly a kind of funny but ingenious solution. I don't know where you would set it. You can't do it on blueprints. It probably is project settings. Never mind. Yeah. You change the widget visibility to an option which lets you see the widget but not interact with it. No, that's not what I want. That is not what I want. When setting default mouse cursor to none, it appears. Yeah. Okay, well. Poop. I guess I'm SOL. I mean, I can look into the common UI thing. But I'll pull it up. Common UI detect or hide mouse. let's see if it has cursor and widget, show and hide. This. It's from a year ago. AI. Yeah, great. That is not. Has the same problems. I saw it move, and when it moved, it went away. Okay, well, I'll need to figure out. Doesn't seem like there's a simple video. Just show me how do you detect mouse with common UI or detect yeah, controller with common UI. Show hide menu, page menu, switching pages, character sheet, inventory sheet. Nope. So common UI might have this functionality, but yeah, I've seen the change icons depending on input plenty of times. But yep. Well, poop. Okay. Well, if that's the case, probably I can't even move the mouse somewhere else. Because sadly, under the hood, this is moving the mouse. That's how I'm doing this. But it's not actually moving my mouse for whatever reason. My mouse is still in the middle of the screen. But under the hood, this is being done by moving the mouse. Okay, I'll need to probably look into it quite a lot more. Okay, in that case, just to make sure that I don't mess with it later, I'm going to remove the instances of it that I put in here. Anyway, this one. I delete this. Yeah, okay. That's the last copy of it. Just in case if I modify it. I'm not sure what you're referring to, Toon. I'll be honest. Not a clue. But I assume it's a good thing, whatever it is. At least I'll pretend it's a good thing. What is mouse lock mode? Whatever it is, it doesn't give me what I want. Oh, that's probably limits it to the screen, right? Yeah, it limits it to the screen. When I was searching you, oh, well, was I there when I was searching YouTube? If I was there when I was searching on YouTube, that's bad on YouTube. Because I wasn't searching for anything related to me. So I hope it didn't show one of my videos when searching for freaking common UI. I'm good. Damn it, I'm determined. I want to find this. Mouse cursor appear even if disabled. Debug mode to UI only. Yep, I'm already doing that. Setting cursor parameter to none solve. Looks like it needs to be set like that for all elements in the widget. In case it would check out there was no more widgets active in the background. If I move it just a little bit, then it doesn't detect it. What time I can select. Okay, what if we hold on? What if we actually go into the game mode and turn off the show mouse? Okay. Let's do a test. Let's turn this off. Okay. Clicked in. Mouse is gone. Press select. Mouse is still gone. What? I'm confused. Why is it gone? Begin play. It's not overwriting it. Okay, what if I put it on to my character now? On possess. Let's put it here. Now stays. Okay. What if I triumph? Just say hide mouse cursor here. Just don't even open it up. Just hide it. I want to see it hide it. So the mouse, press the button. Mouse is not gone until I move it. Why? Why does the mouse not disappear when doing show hide mouse until after you've moved the mouse? Who just thought that was a good idea? Now it's confirmed. Now it's confirmed that it's just the way it is when you do show mouse. I don't know why. This is not where I thought I'd get sucked in. Freaking setting up controller support for the entire deck builder was simple. Showing and hiding a mouse? Oh no. No, that's gonna be worrying. Oh, can't believe you asked for just an insane thing as showing and hiding a mouse. I'll move it to my character. It makes more sense there. Okay. Is there like an update mouse? What mouse related things can we do? Beauty of blueprints. You could just read through them. Is it possible to change the mouse image to a blank one when you want it? No. I tried. I tried looking for it. I'll look down this list and we're going to try to find something that works. Get a consume mouse wheel. No. I don't want to get anything. Getting doesn't help me. Set set current mouse cursor. Hold on. Hold on. Huh? Did I just not see it before? Oh. Oh, wait. Wait, what? I looked for this before. Just for shits and giggles. Okay. Press select, still there. What? It literally doesn't... No, so it exists. It doesn't help. I have the print string hello. Mouse is still there. It's set to freaking none. Here, let's put it to grab hand. Is it doing anything? No, it just doesn't do anything. So it already exists. But for some reason, it doesn't do anything? Why? Why is that? Do you set your gamepad when using the UI? Do I set my game paused? You're gonna tell me that's why? I'll be very upset. Okay, that's not why. No. Okay, that's not why. It was a good test. I appreciate you asking. Unfortunately, was not the solution. No, go back to where it was. Back here. Yeah. Turn off count sensitive. Mouse. What do we have? Mouse events. No, we don't want debug events. Oh no, mouse. Cursor. Setting show mouse cursor variable doesn't instantly change the thing. It only sets the variable, which is queried every frame by the viewport. Yeah, but it's queried every frame. So the next frame, I'd want it to disappear, but it doesn't. It waits till the mouse has moved, and then it disappears. Right? The problem is it wants the mouse to move for it to update. I need to find a way of forcing that update. That's what I've been trying to find, guys. I've been trying to find it. A way to force an update. I'd love to. So I do a set mouse movement. Set mouse movement is how I control the entire UI. But if for some reason it doesn't actually move the mouse. There's a delay here, buddy. Hold on a minute. You're good. Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't move the mouse. Get current mouse cursor. Set current mouse cursor. Doesn't help with the UI. Set mouse cursor widget. Set the widget for the mouse cursor display. Just gonna complain. That's not gonna work. Cursor slots. Mouse input, don't care. Casting, don't care. Reset and set cursor. And we try reset cursor, which is the widget one, and it works. Set cursor does work, but it just doesn't do it right away. And the problem is that I need... Well, hold on. What if... Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. Keep that there for a moment. But under input source, controller, I'm going to say mouse off. So I just want to see something. Can't we just work? Just say, okay, fine. It's always going to be that way. It's always going to need to move. And you say, screw it. Okay. So off on the controller. So then I have mouse. I move the controller. Then moving the mouse still. Why do I still have the mouse? Oh, because it's not that kind of. Okay, now. I need you to. Why? Genuinely, I have no clue why it's such a pain. I'll be right back, actually. One second. Sorry about that. Without putting it here and then just having it go away afterwards would solve the problem, right? But oh, now it's gone away. Hold on. Hold on. I press attack. Now it's gone away. So I move. Oh, it doesn't do a movement. Do I not have to check on movement? I'm pretty sure I do. Oh, I don't. Let's fix that. Those triggered. So if I did this and then I move my mouse, it goes away. If I open it now, it's gone. Okay. I move my mouse now. It's back. This. Wait, what? Wait, why is it just back? Oh, because it's clicked out of it. Is this a problem with editor? Is the problem just because I'm doing this in the editor? Let's see if standalone works finally and doesn't crash. There's one guy in the world that can figure this out. It's me. I want a full screen. I get F11. Right, so I'm here. Press select. Still there. I was hoping that it was not going to be just if I move this and then move the map. You jump this with the mouse, attack mouse. It doesn't go away anymore. I don't know why. I don't know why. Well, controller support for your game. Easy. Not easy, but like relatively easy. Hiding a mouse when you open a menu? Impossible. When you discover it, make a video and flex your achievement? Maybe. I figured out a way of doing alphabetical sorting in pure blueprints. I was proud of that one. Maybe at one point I'll make a video on that. I couldn't find that information anywhere. Alphabetical sorting with blueprints. But, yeah. So maybe I'll figure that one out, too. Great. Okay, well, I'm gonna continue bashing my head against the wall a little bit. By bashing my head against the wall, I mean I'm gonna just go on a hunt online for what the hell could possibly be causing this. And how to have a mouse cursor disappear when you open a widget. If you had it on before, I don't know why that is so difficult. But that's the world we live in. Hopefully tomorrow, I will be back with good news about how the hell to do it. Because, dear God, dear God, if widget open mouse equals hide, yeah, that should be what it is. It's not, because you have to move mouse and then it'll hide it. You have to set the bool and ashfat. Now the problem isn't setting the bool. The problem is, you have to move the mouse for it to update. So if you turn off visibility, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's what it is. You fit 15 more minutes to go. Says who? It's not like I always end at exactly 9:30. Yeah, the problem is specifically that even if you change the visibility, you have to move the mouse for it to update. And that's the problem I need to overcome. Yeah, guys. No. I'm going to go bash my head against the wall myself and try to scour the internet for a solution. And hopefully come back to you guys tomorrow with some good news. So, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed me bashing my head against a metaphorical wall for a bit of this. Back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific as always. And yeah, hopefully I'll give you guys some good news. Have a good night, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.